Hello everyone, welcome back to another Unity Expert video. My name is Kama and today we're going to showcase how to use and set up some features with Translator, a translation bot here on Discord. We've used this bot a lot before, specifically with, servers that house members who speak multiple different languages, who speak only maybe one language. So we've used this bot a lot and it's been very helpful and a very good tool. So let's just jump right into it. First, there's the translate command, obviously. And you write something like this. You write the text you want to translate. So we'll do this is a test from English to Spanish. So I want to translate this text that I just wrote from English to Spanish. So the target language would be, Spanish, since we're translating into that language. And then we're going to do the source language, which is English, because I originally wrote this text in English. Press enter, and boom. Giving it a second, it will show you the translated text. This is good as a standalone thing. Members just write and use the command, translate text. People can use it by themselves. If you want to limit the command to only be used in, channels like general media, stuff like that, not like bot commands, you can go into the server settings, go into integrations, and come down here, manage, and you can put an X on all channels here and then add the channels you want the bot to show up in. So maybe some people, you don't want them to use the commands and bot commands maybe, or meeting plans or stuff like that. So you would want to change it. Here you go. This is how you would do it. Another good and amazing feature we've had is making automated channels. So for example, let's just say I can write something like an announcement here, like, oh, I'm going live on Twitch in 30 minutes. Right? Now, instead of typing it out again in Spanish here, you could set up an automated translation configuration using the bot. So it looks at the channel here and then sends whatever messages you write from English to whatever target language you want into this channel automatically. So let's just say auto translate. Come down here, auto translate create. The name is whatever name you want to give it. So I'm going to say English to Spanish. So this is going to be an English to Spanish auto translation. You can name this whatever you want. The source channel is I'll just say English Spanish. There we go. The source channel is going to be the channel that Translator is going to keep watching to see if there's any new messages going into. So this is obviously going to be an announcement for us. The target channel is going to be announcement Spanish, since that's where it's going to go into. Target language is going to be Spanish. And then we're going to do one more source language, which is going to be English. Then we auto create it. So it worked. If you want, there's Translator Premium, which houses these. We're not going to get into it too much. We only use the free plan, obviously. So we're going to copy paste the message, see if it's going to work. So as you can see, I need send messages. So we're gonna come back and give it Translator. Use channel, send messages. And we're gonna try it again. And as you can see, it automatically translated from this channel to that channel, which is perfect. This is exactly what we use it for. And you can also just have it translate from general English to general Spanish, for example, or general Japanese, or whatever language you want to translate into. So for example, if we create a new general chat here, general Spanish, we could do something like this, where we have auto translate create general Eng to Span. Source channel is going to be general. The target channel is going to be Spanish. Target language is going to be Spanish. And the source language is going to be English. You can have something like this. So if I do test, it sends it in here. And now we can do this, where we create the same thing, but backwards. So they have a constant feed of talking to each other. So target channel is going to be general, target language is going to be English, and the source language is going to be Spanish. This is good if you only like have members who speak either one language or the other, not multiple, like 3 or more. It's good if you have like an English speaking or like X language and then Y language only, because having more than 3, it's going to be hard to like link them all together. And I'm pretty sure you can do that without premium because there's a specific amount of auto translate create you can run. So we do this and boom. Now, if I send, for example, the message here into here as just a test, it sends the exact message I wrote, by the way. The translation is really, really accurate, into here. And now you have a constant loop and feed from this channel to here and from this channel to here, which is great. This is a really good way to connect both communities that you have inside your server. And that about sums it up. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.